Hey guys, this is TechVibes. Today I will show you how to set up a cheap, non-certified generic Android box. People call them China boxes or generic Android boxes. These usually run an open-source phone operating system instead of a system optimized for television screens. This is why people struggle to set them up and leave bad reviews. My tips and tricks will get you up and running quickly so you can enjoy these low-cost streaming devices. Everything I reference in this video is linked below. When buying these boxes, I strongly suggest picking something with a Bluetooth remote. Many cheap boxes come with an infrared remote, and they are complete junk. Let us boot up the brand new system. Right away, you may notice that the remote does not work very well. This is because we have not paired the remote via Bluetooth yet. Let us complete the basic setup screens first by pointing the remote directly at the box. Choose English. Next, you will see the video calibration screen. If the box does not display properly on your television, use the arrows on the remote to zoom to the proper size. Hit Next. Click the Wi-Fi button. Choose your network and type in your password to get on the internet. Now we are on the home screen. You might be turned off by this ugly generic launcher, but do not worry. We will replace this entire user interface very soon. First, let us get the remote connected to Bluetooth so it becomes highly responsive. Go into Settings. Select Remotes and Accessories. To put your remote into pairing mode, check the manual that came with your unit. For my remote, I need to hold down the OK button and the volume down button at the same time. A light will flash and the remote will connect. Now you do not need to point it directly at the box anymore. Welcome to our Android TV optimization guide. Let's make your box run faster. Go back to Settings, choose Device Preferences. Go into About, then select System Update and click Check for Update. You usually will not see many updates for generic boxes, which is completely fine. While we are in the About section, highlight the Android build number and click it 7 times. This will turn on developer options. Go back one menu and open the new developer options. Find the USB debugging setting and turn it on. Next, find the Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Change all 3 of these scales to 0.5. This eliminates sluggish transitions and makes your whole system run much faster. Next, go into Apps and select See All Apps. Go through this list and uninstall any heavy apps you do not need. I am deleting the pre-installed Netflix and Prime Video applications. Generic boxes do not have the proper licensing for these services, meaning the apps will feel clunky and will not play in full high definition anyway. Now, go back to the home screen and open Google Play. Sign into your Google account and accept the privacy screens. This version of the Play Store is meant for mobile devices, so it looks different. If your directional pad struggles to navigate a screen, press the mouse button on your remote to use a point-and-click cursor. Before downloading anything, click your account avatar in the top right-hand corner. Go into Play Protect, select the gear icon, and disable the scanning feature. If you keep this turned on, the system will try to block third-party applications when you sideload them later. Go back to your avatar, select My Apps and Games, and update all pending system apps so everything runs smoothly in the background. Now we are ready to install our Gateway app for sideloading. Search the Google Play Store for Downloader. Make sure to download the official version by AFTV News, as alternative copies will not work. Hit Install. Let us open the Downloader app. Press the Up button on your remote to highlight the address bar and click OK. Type in the toolbox code 250931 and hit Go. This opens a free utility toolbox loaded with applications that are missing from the official stores. Hold down the OK button on your remote for a few seconds and select Add Current Page to Favorites. Saving this page lets you bypass the 5-second load screen with ads in the future. Scroll down the toolbox page using your directional pad. Click Download next to Project Ivy Launcher. The first time you try to install an app through Downloader, a security prompt will appear. Click Settings and turn on the toggle to allow unknown apps for Downloader. Hit Install. Once the application installs, click Done and delete the installation file to keep your storage clean. Next, locate Aptoide TV in the toolbox. This is an excellent alternative app store for finding television apps that are blocked on Google Play. Go ahead and download the app, then install it on your device. If a security warning pops up, change your remote to mouse mode, click More Details, and select Install anyway. Delete the installation file when finished. To ensure all your applications stream smoothly, bypass geo-blocks, and stay secure, I highly recommend running NordVPN on your device. I have placed the official installation link in the description and pinned comments below. Let us fix that ugly home screen. Press the home button on your remote. The system will ask you to select a default launcher. Choose Project Ivy Launcher and set it as default. Now the clean user interface will stick every time you press home. Let us configure the new launcher. Go to the top right gear icon to enter Project Ivy settings. Go to General and turn on the option to override the current launcher. Next, select Accessibility Service and turn on accessibility for Project Ivy. Go back to the main launcher settings and turn off the Show Reminder toggle to stop the setup notification at the bottom of your screen from popping up. You can easily customize this home screen. Highlight an app you want to organize, hold down the OK button, and select Move to Favorites. A new dedicated Favorites row will instantly appear on your screen. You can also press the left arrow key on your remote to access the row organizer, allowing you to reorder or hide entire rows of content. If you ever need to access your regular system settings, just click the gear icon inside Project Ivy. Go to Apps, then select Security and Restrictions. Open Unknown Sources. Make sure to turn on the Unknown Sources toggle for Aptoide TV and your internet browser so they can install applications seamlessly. If you ever want to completely revert back to the factory launcher, go into Project Ivy settings, click General, and turn off the override option. Then go into your main Android settings, find Apps, select Project Ivy, and click Uninstall. Your original home screen will return immediately. That is how you optimize a generic Android box for the best performance. Please hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Subscribe to TechVibes for more essential tutorials. Have an awesome day.